everyone's talking about our brand new modular front bumper that we designed for the 2021 and up Ford Broncos and Bronco Raptors. Now this bumper has been a labor of love. We set out to design the most functional, most versatile, and coolest looking front bumper for the new modern Bronco that's ever been seen on the market. I'd like to show you some specific areas of the bumper that really set this apart from all the other options in the marketplace. We made it modular. Very important because our customers like to set it up a number of different ways. So we designed it to have a cover plate right in the center. This one shows four 4.7-inch LED lights running on top of that cover plate, but if it's a winch you desire, that's no problem. We pull the cover plate off, we drop the winch in, and you're ready to go. Now my personal favorite part of this front bumper is the modular brush guard. It mounts right on the top of the bumper and you can have it or you don't have to. Now underneath the bumper is where it gets really interesting. We designed a fresh, brand new center skid plate that comes with the bumper setup, and it replaces the factory skid plate. Then you get two winglets. Well, what's a winglet? If you remove the crash bars off the front of this Bronco, you still see the crash bar mount sticking out from underneath an aftermarket bumper, and it kind of looks like grandma's 90-year-old teeth. Well, it really drives us nuts. So we designed a skid plate system, patent pending skid plate system, that wraps around the crash bars and tucks them into the bumper, and you never see them again. We created provisions for 4 Unite LED cubes to be flush mount inside that bumper. You could set it up to have clear or amber or one of each. You'll notice that there's provisions on both sides for tow hooks if you want to add those. And maybe the most innovative part of the bumper is this area right here. That is the adaptive cruise control module. People are beginning to fall in love with their adaptive cruise control when they're driving down an interstate or on a long trip. And we want it to be functional. So we created an area that you can put the adaptive cruise control right at the front of the bumper and there's no obstruction. We're known for high quality products that solve Bronco problems and help take you and your Bronco to the next level. The front bumper is our flagship product for the new Bronco. Our customers have enjoyed it and we know you will too if you're shopping for a front bumper. Check out online, you can see the different ways you can set those up, and you can see some of the other parts, including a matching rear bumper, spare tire reinforcement bracket, and a whole lot more. I'm going to take this one on the trails and break it in a little bit before we ship it out. We'll see you.